Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz A220. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I would like you to know that there are some chips on the front bumper. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I do see a chip right here. And another one right here. Move on to the driver fender wheel. You see a scratch in the door right here. I'm not seeing any other scratches, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. Starting with the driver's side. Driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Passenger side is good. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Alright, so the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.